can we find a duplicate elements from an array? Okay, so the most of the times the interviewer may ask that how can you find the duplicate elements from an array, that maybe the element is from means number, or that element may be string. Okay, so most of the times they will ask about means how can we find out the duplicate data from a string only. Okay, so let me create, or let me explain. So first of all, I'm going to create one class. Okay, then how can you create in class? Just right click here, folder, and go to new and create a class. Okay, so in this place just write your class name, that is duplicate string. Okay, so click on public static void main string x, then click on finish, then you will get your class and main method for execution of for giving some different for writing the code. Okay, so today the topic is that how to find duplicate elements. Fine, so how can you define the string? The string we can define like string name, and we have to store in an array, right? So from that particular array only we have to find out the duplicate strings. So here, for example, one string is Java, then Selenium, then QTP is there, then again Java is there. Okay, and next is what? Manual testing. Okay, so okay guys, so in this place, so here we have Java. Okay, in first location, and second location, that is Selenium is there, third one is the QTP, and fourth one again the Java. Okay, so here the duplicate element is there, Java, and again we have to check means manual testing is there, no. Okay, so Java is repeated, so here we have to find out. So we don't know what particular exactly what data is the duplicate one. Okay, so here we are able to read that Java is a duplicate. So here we have to find out means which data is duplicate. Fine, so how can you means check it, how can you find it? So here we have to compare our first element to second element, first element to third element, first element to fourth element, first element to fifth element. Okay, and again we have to check, that is second element to first element, second element to second element, third element, second element to fourth element, second element to fifth element. Like this we have to continue our loop. Okay, and we have to check it. So for that purpose, what we need we have to iterate we need some iteration. Okay, or we need to use some loop. Okay, so for this purpose I am taking for int I equals to 0. The indexing starts with 0. Okay, then I less than equals to, then we have to find the length of the string, right? For what occurrence we have to means continue our loop. So we have to find out the total length of that particular string. Okay, then how can you find the length? With the help of, in string class we have the method, that is length method, name dot length. Okay, name dot length. Then we can continue our loop, increment or decrement. Fine, I equals to 0, I less than name dot length, or I plus plus. Here we have to compare our, that is first value to second value, first value to third value, first value to fourth value, like this. Okay, then here name of I. What name of I means? What? That is name of I, first name of 0, that is Java. Okay, name of I dot, we have a method in string class, that is equals. Okay, we have a method that is equals, name of I equals name of J. Okay, so here another loop we have to continue, like int J equals to I plus 1, J less than name dot length J plus plus. Okay, so here we have to continue that up to name of J. Okay, if name of I dot equals name of J, then system dot out dot println, we can find out the duplicate value. Duplicate value is, the duplicate value is name of I. Okay, now save this one, guys, and execute it, whether we are getting the exact result or not. Let me check what will be the result. Duplicate value is Java. Fine, now we got the result is that duplicate value is Java. Okay, for example, I am going to change here another one duplicate data I want to take. Okay, for example, Selenium. We'll check whether it is working or not. Okay, then what will be the result right now? Java, and another one is we need Selenium also. Okay, because Selenium, okay, this is equals, right? So now check Java and Selenium. Fine, guys. So thank you so much. We'll see again in next video. So please subscribe my videos and please comment if you want anything, means any query you have, or you want some questions for me.